It's your birthday? How old are you? Are those, can you see how pretty you look? Are you beautiful?
Haley, look at Mommy.
Look at Mommy. Oh my.
Uh-oh.
You don't want to know anymore? Oh my goodness.
Is it your birthday?
Is it, look, show Mommy how pretty you look.
Look at Mommy. Wow.
Right? Are those your earrings? Are they dangle? They shake around when you shake.
It's your birthday?
Are you a princess? Are they pretty? Or can you say pretty? Do you love them? Do you look so beautiful? Yeah. Oh, shake them, shake those earrings. Birthday!
You are a silly girl.
How old are you? How old are you on your birthday? Can you show me how many fingers? How old are you? How old are you? 2. 2. Birthday! Birthday! Whose birthday is it? It's Haley's birthday? Is you sure it's not Daddy's birthday? It's Daddy's birthday. Whoa! Here, I'll put it back. It's your boat? Thank you, I'll take it. Can I have a kiss for your birthday? Can I have a kiss for your birthday? Birthday.
Haley, look at Mommy.
Can I have a kiss for your birthday, girl? Can I have a kiss? Do you look beautiful? Are you so pretty?
Haley, look at Mommy.
Look at Mommy. Show Mommy your pretty earrings. Now show Mommy.
Oh, they're so beautiful.
Look at these dirty feet. Look at your dirty feet then.
Look at how many Haleys there are in that mirror. Careful.
Can you
Is
do
it
this?
your
Hey,
birthday?
Hey, can you do this? Hey, can you do this? Hey, look at Are you beautiful? Are you pretty? Can you show me how pretty you are? Show Daddy how pretty you are. Watch out, sweetheart. Look at these little bug prints. Are they silly people? You okay? Yeah, it's slippery. You gotta be careful. Be careful. Be careful. You know why you gotta be careful? Birthday! Okay, put some on my hands. Oh, you wash them? We'll put some medicine on them. Oh, thank you. This one here. Rub it in.